Hi and welcome to our first video at CT Cars. In this episode we will be removing an air suspension compressor pump on an Audi A8. After removing the arch liner, it's clear to see where the compressor is just on the left hand side. This compressor wasn't working very well, it kept blowing the fuse, so we decided to measure the current. This clearly wasn't needed as the power lines were clearly melted. Having the bumper removed slightly at the front gives you access to the bracket front bolt. On the rear of the bracket, the bolt's here, and the other bolt is up here in the corner. Using this ratchet makes it very easy to get the front bolt out. This pipe here is the air intake hose for the air compressor, which needs to be removed. Next, the high pressure pipe needs to be undone for the air compressor. With that loose, you can now wiggle the bracket. With the 3 bolts loose and all the pipes removed, you will be able to wiggle the bracket, but you won't be able to remove it. This is due to the loom still being clipped on around the front. Just pop the clip off and everything will be removable. And this is the old compressor removed. As you can see, the wiring's all black. It looks like it's heat shrink, but it's not. You can even see where the cable shortened and the copper started coming through because it shrunk because of the heat. And around the front, the intake pipe is also melted. Another thing to look at is the Audi sticker. It seems to have shrunk quite a bit too, obviously due to the heat. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it somewhat educational. Any comments greatly appreciated down below. Have a great day and see you next time. From all of us at CT Cars.